Welcome to New Car, where we explore the future of automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the Mercedes-AMG Vision AMG concept, a revolutionary vision of what high-performance electric sports cars could become. The Mercedes-AMG Vision AMG concept is a masterpiece of aerodynamic precision. Its low-slung profile and razor-sharp lines are engineered for maximum efficiency. Yet every curve screams performance. The front fascia is clean and minimal, with a closed-off grille, a hallmark of electric vehicles. But the signature AMG grille pattern in the lower air intake keeps it unmistakably AMG. Step inside, and the cabin is a fusion of cutting-edge technology and sustainable luxury. The seats are crafted from recycled materials, vegan leather and plant-based fibers that don't compromise on comfort or style. The dashboard is minimalist, with a panoramic display spanning the entire width of the cabin. Under the floor, the Vision AMG packs a 900-volt electrical architecture, enabling ultra-fast charging that replenishes 80% of the battery in under 20 minutes. With an estimated range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge, this concept proves electric performance doesn't mean sacrificing range. Multiple electric motors deliver a staggering 1,000 horsepower and instant torque, propelling it from 0 to 100 km/h in under. But Mercedes-AMG hasn't stopped at performance. Sustainability is woven into every detail. Over 90% of the materials used are recyclable, from the carbon fiber reinforced plastic body to the interior trim made from recycled PET bottles. The production process is designed to be carbon neutral, and the battery is engineered for easy recycling at the end of its life.